everyone, welcome back to my channel Kanun Servopari and welcome back to my another study vlog on my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for being there, for always being there, because we are 500 now and it's a big achievement for me. The number may seem small to you, but have you ever wondered if 500 people coming up to you and appreciating you on your day or on your life, it really means a lot. 500 is a huge number. We barely have these many people in our real life, right? And if I do have 500 people in my life on this YouTube channel, then I am truly grateful for that. But yeah, we will not stop here and we will continue achieving further milestones in our life as well. सो अभी वापस स्टडी व्लॉग की बात पे आते हैं. तो स्काई इतना सुंदर लग रहा था कि मैंने इतने सारी उसकी क्लिप्स ले ली. तो आफ्टर वेकिंग अप इन द मॉर्निंग आई जस्ट बॉइल्ड सम वाटर टू ड्रिंक एंड दिस इज़ माई क्यूट लिटिल वाइट कप दैट आई लाइक. So I recorded some other stuffs as well that I did in the morning. So my sister went for school and I just helped her out. So here I am roasting some makhanas for her and for me as well. After that, जब मैं finally free हो गई, then I arranged my desk and also did a quick room setup. I also made a coffee for myself to stay awake and to focus on my studies in a better way. So in this study vlog, basically in the morning, I did some case laws related to the preamble of the Constitution of India. And also the concept of judicial review. Do you know that the power of judiciary to review the constitutionality of the laws that Parliament makes is given under Article 13 of the Indian Constitution, and this power of the judiciary is known as judicial review. And in a famous case called Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, the judiciary struck down and declared section 377 of IPC as partially unconstitutional because it violated the principles, the basic principles given under Article 14, 15, 19 and Article 21 as well. Moreover, if we talk about the preamble of our constitution, first of all, the idea of preamble has been taken from USA, the Constitution of USA. And in the preamble of Indian Constitution, there are 5 principles and 4 objectives. The preamble declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. These are the 5 principles, and the 4 objectives are justice, liberty, equity, equality, and fraternity among its citizens. So there are basically 2 major case laws related to this preamble, which is Ray Berubari case of 1960 and Keswananda Bharti case of 1972. So in Ray Berubari case, basically the Supreme Court declared that preamble was not a part of the basic structure of the constitution, whereas in Keswananda Bharti case, the Supreme Court upheld that the preamble is an integral and the most important part of the basic structure of the constitution, and if any amendment is made in the preamble that is unconstitutional, then this amendment would be deemed illegal by the Supreme Court. I actually also understood by reading this Keswananda Bharti case that the judiciary not always decides what is right and what is wrong, but rather it creates a balanced path between what is right and what is wrong, which seems to be more righteous than the right path itself. फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल बताऊं तो गवर्नमेंट ने 1970s 1960s के अराउंड 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट पास करे थे, 24th, 25th एंड 29th। एंड 24th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट के थ्रू पार्लियामेंट ने ये बोला कि पार्लियामेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के किसी भी पार्ट को अमेंड कर सकती है, इंक्लूडिंग द फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। 25th के अकॉर्डिंग राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी को कर्टेल किया जा सकता है और इसके ऊपर जुडिशियल रिव्यू भी नहीं हो सकता। और 29th के अकॉर्डिंग लैंड रिफॉर्म्स एक्ट को 9th शेड्यूल में डाल दिया गया था और 9th शेड्यूल में जुडिशरी के पास जुडिशियल रिव्यू करने की पावर ही नहीं थी। तो जुडिशरी ने रैदर दैन कि वो तीनों अमेंडमेंट्स को अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिक्लेयर कर दे, जुडिशरी इंस्टेड डिक्लेयर्ड these constitutional amendments partially unconstitutional and इनको लिमिट कर दिया by saying that पार्लियामेंट नो डाउट किसी भी चीज़ को अमेंड कर सकती है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, लेकिन पार्लियामेंट एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्रीन को अमेंड नहीं कर सकती कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, और वो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्रीन सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा फ्रॉम केस टू केस। फॉर इंस्टेंस इट इंक्लूड्स द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ equality, justice, fraternity, sovereignty, federalism, independence of judiciary, separation of powers and many more. So that was it for today's vlog. टाइम ख़त्म हो गया पर बात ख़त्म नहीं हुई, पर कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट vlog में बात करते हैं। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई vlogs and make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, and if you have subscribed it then thank you so much. Bye bye.